Metro Parks rock. They're free fun for everyone, and they're just down the road. So let's get up, get outside, get a little bit dirty, and have some fun.
I like coming to Prairie Oaks with my dog because of how private it is. I don't have to worry about her being near cars or being near too many distractions where she would like run off. I've lived here for a couple of years and we've tried to explore every dog park in Columbus. This one's the best because they can run around out here and they can also swim. And then there's also walking paths all around so we can go for walks on our own. And it's always so pretty, so yeah, we love it. And honestly, it's her favorite place. Okay, ready?
I've been coming with my dog Eva for about a year now. She really loves to swim and this dog beach is really close to my house, and ever since we brought her here, she just loves it.
Your Metro Parks, where you dare to hike, bike, cast a line, paddle, or just hang loose.